Good evening. I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at StockMarketMentor.com, and I want to look at Cronos here today. This won't take too long. I've covered this recently. Earlier in the week, this group broke out. All the pot, not all of them, but most of them, the pot stocks had been trading sideways for, through the month of December. You can see here it actually went back into November, but I thought this was a lot of just tax loss selling. Not up here. This would be tax gain selling. But as the stock fell, every idiot who bought the stock all the way down, if that's you, I wasn't talking about you, of course, who bought the stock all the way down, by the time they get to the end of the year, it's like, okay, I got to book these losses. It'll keep me from paying Uncle Sam any more than I need to. And so now the stocks are running up. I'm looking at several of them, but the one that I just want to feature here is a pretty easy analysis. On Wednesday, the stock ran up at one point to a high of 882. Somebody bought up there, and now they're down less than about 3% loss, which isn't that big a deal. The point is, as I mentioned, that there's not a lot of supply here that the stock's going to have to chew through in order to make a new high. 3% is not a big deal. So even though the stock gapped up and then reversed on Thursday, it actually, this was actually a little tiny consolidation. And the entire range, by the way, from intraday high to intraday low was inside the prior day's intraday high and intraday low. So you could call this kind of an inside day. And then today's trading was also, you could even call it another inside day because the high here was lower than yesterday's high. And I think the low was right about, within a penny. 801 yesterday, $8 today. Let's just say $8. So this is a stock that's kind of resting. It's a strong stock just getting going, and it's taking a little breather. And so what do you do on Monday? Hey, you enjoy yourself because it's a market holiday. But on Tuesday, if the stock breaks out above 880, that's when I think your next entry is on this stock. If you already took the trade, I featured this earlier in the week. If you already took this trade and you're still in it, then that's when you would add to it. But if this stock breaks above 880, it can get moving pretty quick. And so you want to set a price alert. I would set it at 878 or something, or 875 to bring your attention to it. And then if the stock breaks out above 880, check volume. Needs to be on higher volume. It probably will be. And that's when you take that stock. And then I would say, okay, look for $10. That's kind of how I would trade the stock. So anyway, that's it for this video. And for the weekend, I want to wish my brother Gary happy birthday on Monday. And if he was doing a video, he would wish me happy birthday on Monday too, because we share the same birthday. We're just 9-year twins. So anyway, I'll see you then. Bye.